Welcome to our deep dive into one of nature's most fascinating survival stories. These remarkable animals are often called the ships of the desert for their ability to navigate and thrive in some of the most inhospitable environments on Earth. Let's begin by understanding their anatomy and how it's specifically designed for desert survival. One of the most distinctive features of camels is their humps. Contrary to popular belief, these humps do not store water. Instead, they are reservoirs of fatty tissue. This fat can be metabolized into water and energy when food and water are scarce. Each gram of fat metabolized produces about 1 gram of water, which is vital for the camel's survival during long periods without drinking. Another crucial adaptation is their ability to tolerate dehydration. Camels can lose up to 25% of their body weight due to sweating, a level of dehydration that would be fatal for most other animals. They achieve this by maintaining a stable internal temperature, which reduces the need for sweating. Camels can withstand a body temperature range from 34 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, which allows them to avoid sweating and conserve water. The camel's unique blood composition also plays a critical role in their ability to survive without water. Their red blood cells are oval-shaped, unlike the circular red blood cells found in most mammals. This shape allows the cells to flow more easily when the blood thickens due to dehydration. Additionally, camel red blood cells are incredibly resilient and can withstand the osmotic variations that occur when the camel rehydrates quickly. Camels have a remarkable ability to rehydrate rapidly. When they find water, they can drink up to 40 gallons in just a few minutes. This rapid rehydration is facilitated by their highly elastic red blood cells and their stomach, which can expand to hold large volumes of water. Their nostrils are another fascinating adaptation. Camels can close their nostrils to prevent sand from entering, and they have a complex nasal structure that helps conserve water. As they exhale, moisture is trapped in their nasal passages and reabsorbed into their bodies, reducing water loss. The camel's diet also contributes to its survival in the desert. Camels are herbivores and have a preference for dry, thorny plants that other animals avoid. Their tough mouths and prehensile lips allow them to eat prickly vegetation without injury. Additionally, their digestive system is highly efficient, extracting maximum moisture and nutrients from their food. Behaviorally, camels have adapted to the desert environment by being able to travel long distances in search of food and water. They can travel up to 100 miles, or 160 kilometers, without water. Their broad, padded feet are perfectly adapted to walking on sand, preventing them from sinking and allowing them to cover large distances efficiently. Camels also have a social structure that aids in their survival. They typically travel in herds, which provides protection from predators and increases the chances of finding food and water. The dominant male leads the herd and is responsible for finding resources and ensuring the safety of the group. Reproduction in camels is timed to coincide with the availability of resources. Female camels have a long gestation period of about 13 months, and they usually give birth to 1 calf at a time. The calf is born during the rainy season when food and water are more plentiful, increasing its chances of survival. Camel calves are precocial, meaning they are born relatively mature and are able to stand and walk within hours of birth. Camels have also developed a unique way of conserving energy in the extreme heat of the desert. During the hottest part of the day, they rest and reduce their activity levels to minimize water loss through sweating. They are more active during the cooler parts of the day, such as early morning and late evening, when the temperatures are less extreme. In addition to their physical and behavioral adaptations, camels have played a crucial role in human survival in desert regions for thousands of years. Domesticated camels have been used for transportation, carrying heavy loads over long distances. Their ability to go without water for extended periods makes them ideal pack animals for desert caravans. The relationship between humans and camels is symbiotic. Humans provide camels with food, water, and protection, while camels offer transportation, food, and other resources. This relationship has allowed both humans and camels to thrive in some of the most challenging environments on Earth. Despite their incredible adaptations, camels face threats from climate change and human activities. Habitat loss, overgrazing, and competition for resources can impact their survival. Conservation efforts are essential to ensure that these remarkable animals continue to thrive in their natural habitats. In conclusion, camels are a testament to the incredible adaptability of life in extreme environments. Their unique physiological, anatomical, and behavioral traits enable them to survive for weeks without water in the harsh desert conditions. By understanding and appreciating these adaptations, we can gain a deeper respect for the resilience of life and the importance of conserving these remarkable animals and their habitats. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of how camels manage to survive in the desert. Stay tuned for more in-depth journeys into the wonders of nature and the extraordinary adaptations of wildlife around the world.